Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change name in Yandex account on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, of course, you just have to open your Yandex applications. And now if you want to change it for your name, just go ahead to your profile here at the top right in the corner of your screen. After this is my account's name, just go ahead and tap on it guys. And now in this page, go ahead to this pencil beside the name. I'm gonna tap on it. Now tap on personal info. After, as you can see, this is my name guys, which is Amalia FR. And if you want to change it, you just have to tap on this first name and this last name at the bottom on this personal info. Here you just have to erase for your old name. For example, here I'm gonna change only for my last name. After, just tap on this done and scroll it down again, tap on this save button at the bottom. And yeah, as you can see, for my name is already changed guys, from Amalia FR to Amalia Farhadi. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.